Welcome everyone in my YouTube channel. Today we will solve a open based guest question. Okay, so this one is the question. Okay, so in this question there are two op-amp and these two op-amps are connected in the cascade manner. Okay, one circuit is there and another circuit is there. So I am not right now discussing the which is an integrator differentiator like that. So in such cases we have to find the gain or output voltage at this point V1, then we can find the output voltage at that point. Okay, so for the time being I am saying this one is L, say this is our R resistance, and say this one is R dash, and this one is say C. Okay, so before that I just want to writing one generalized formula, or if this one is some impedance Z1 and Z2, so the V output is nothing but simply minus Z2 by Z1 into V in, a which is basically a inverting amplifier. And if this is Z2 is a RF some in terms of resistance, so it should be, we know the formula, minus RF by R1 V in. The same concept we have used in this problem. So the first one, for the first circuit we can write V1, that is our output V1 for the first op amp, for op amp 1, op amp 1. Okay, for the op amp 1, this one is op amp 1 and this one is op amp 2. Okay, for op amp 1 B1 should be, when we can write minus RF by R1. So here Z2 is our, here I am writing our Z2 is our SL, okay, impedance, and Z1 is nothing but simply resistance. So we can write V1 equals to minus SL divided by R1, okay, into say Vs. So this part is clear. Now I am not putting the value now. At the end I will put the value. So this is all about the op amp 1. Now for the op amp 2, okay. So for op amp 2, op amp 2, okay, op amp 2, say I am writing this as a Z2 bar is 1 by SC. Okay, this Z2 bar I am writing this one as a Z2 dash. Okay, and Z1 dash is nothing but simply R dash. This one is Z1 dash. Just for the representation part only, you can solve any problem by using this type of concept. So Z1 dash equals to R dash. So we can write V naught equals to minus R by R1 or minus Z2 dash by Z1. So it should be 1 by SC divided by R1 dash into V1. Okay, this for this input voltage should be now V1. So the output voltage is somehow 1 by SC R dash into V1. Okay, so now we have tested in the output voltage. So V naught equals to minus 1 by SC R dash into, now we can put the value of V1 from this equation. So it should be minus SL by R into Vs. So from here this S and S should be cancelled. So the V naught value will be 1 by R dash C into L into Vs. So now we have to put the value 1 by R. R value is how much? R 10. So write it 10. R dash value 100. So I am writing 100. Okay, R dash value is 100. R 10. L is 10 milli. So you can write 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into, okay, C value is also there in denominator. So C value is 10 microfarad. So we can write 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 into Vs. Vs is 10 cos 100 t. 100 t. Okay, so now we have to solve. So here there is 10. Okay, so this and 10 to the power minus 3 should we cancel with this one? Cancel this one, 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the minus 6, 10 to the minus cancel, this cancel, and this cancel. Okay, this is simple mathematics. So if you solve, so what we get, I am writing here. So V naught equals to 10 cos 100 t. The same will come appear as a output. So once again, I am highlighting this one. So this one is the output. Okay. So what we are examining first for the input voltage Vs for the op amp 1, we have to calculate the value of V1, that is output voltage across the op amp V1. Then for the op amp 2, for the op amp 2, we have to again find by using this concept minus R2 by R1 or minus Z2 by Z1. Okay, then after substituting the value of R1, R2, oh sorry, R dash, L and C dash, we can get this value. Okay, the other term will be cancelled because this one is 10 to the minus 6 and this one is 10 to the power 3. Okay, so 10 to the power 3 and this one 10 to the power minus 3, so it should be cancel out. Okay, with this 10 and this 10 and this 10 will be cancel out. So what should be the answer? This one 10 cos t. So the our answer in this case will be 10 cos t. 10 cos 100 t. So this one is very simple example with solution. So this is the all about the this question. So thank you for watching. You can utilize this concept minus Z2 by Z1 for the output voltage V naught as a function of minus Z2 by Z1 into V in. So using this concept, you can make the solution of such cascaded problem. So thank you for watching and also please subscribe my channel